So, okay. So, naputol yung video natin. So, ito class, this is your activity. So, ulitin ko na lang, this will be your activity. Kindly read this actual case. Siyempre, since it is an activity, some of those, yung iba dito, siyempre, kasali sa exam. Naintindihan? So, basahin nyo lang. At saka, during, habang nagbabasa kayo, kindly comprehend. So, intindihin nyo. Kompleto ito. So, merong pactum commissorum, merong right of repurchase, equitable mortgage. So, equitable mortgage talaga ito na case. And then, basahin nyo lahat. And then, at this, syempre, kung magbasa kayo, dapat clear yung mind nyo. Matatapos nyo siguro by 1 hour. So, kaya yung basahin within 1 hour. And then class, pero habang nyo binabasa nito, pwede nyo isulat. At least malaman nyo yung flow ng case. Kasi syempre, unang-unang case dyan, dadaan mo na sa regional trial court. So, syempre, sa regional trial court, may tinatawag tayong defendant, may tinatawag tayong plaintiff. 'Di ba? And then, so after sa regional trial court, so mapupunta yan sa Court of Appeals. So sa Court of Appeals, merong appellate, meron ding appellee. So isulat nyo kung sino-sino sila. And then next, since after sa Court of Appeals, meron pang Supreme Court. So doon napapasok yung petitioner and respondents. Naintindihan? So, syempre, yung ibang topic doon, sa topic dito sa case na to is matatanong sa exam natin. Or di kaya even sa quiz lang. So, best example of equitable mortgage. So, that's end of this topic, extinguishment of sale. So, if you have any question, so kindly ask me. Or any other clarification, baka may mayroon kayong hindi naintindihan, so kindly ask me. So feel free to ask. And our exam will be, yung original date ng exam natin is October 15 and 16, pero it is subject to change kasi nga masyadong mabilis, and at the same time yung mga nakarang week nagkaroon ng slow internet because of service provider is merong nag-maintenance, undergo ng maintenance. So i-reschedule siguro yung exam nyo. So that's all class for this topic. So next topic will be loan, pledge, and mortgage. So pahapyaw lang yun sila. So thank you.